Hey guys, I'd like to show you the vscode extension that I've made. It automatically updates import paths in Solidity files on their movement, so you can place any file anywhere inside of a working space folder in vscode, and all the paths will be updated automatically. So let's take some repo from the past. Past audits from the code arena. What did I click? So, where it is? I've made laser eyesight surgery, eyesight correction. So I can, unfortunately for now, I cannot see shit. So, yeah, I will misclick stuff maybe. Let's take this, or maybe let's take this count or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, let's take something simpler. I guess this is simpler than Kanto. In short, if a repo has multiple config files, Foundry config files, you should just rename. You should just leave a single one, renaming the others to, for example, foundry.toml.back or something like that. So that's why let's take this kelp. Why I don't see the name, whatever. So let's clone it and open the VS Code. The extension is called Solidity Paths Helper. I don't know. It's the best I got for naming stuff. Paths Helper. Okay, so you got it installed. Just update it, and to run it, we press F1 and type sol paths helper and run the command. So let's switch to the Explorer, and when we run the command, it will create a folder inside of a source scope folder with all the files from the scope file moved there, and of course with the correct paths, updated paths. So yeah, let's just run it. So yeah, here's our scope. Let's check. I don't see anything. Yeah, I just wanted to compare the names, but I didn't see the names. So yeah, these errors will go away once we install libraries, and also install libraries, and the source folder must be correct. So, well, it's not important, but just to visually get rid of these errors, we'll update this line here to be source not contract, because we don't even have the contracts folder. So yeah, let's run the Foundry test now to see if everything works. Let's just see the paths, updated paths, paths here. So the extension is pretty smart. It sees what libraries is used and skips all the imports from the libraries, as well as from the node modules, as well as from the hardhead, as well as from the some add imports like here, and many others, I guess. Yeah, so let's wait for it to compile and stuff like that, and we'll see if the test will pass. So if it will, then it means that all the paths are correct, and then we'll after the test will pass, we'll randomly drop files anywhere inside of our um, you know project, and we'll run the test again to see if the paths were updated correctly and everything still works. So here we see that the test passed. So let's now just grab randomly any file and place it anywhere. I don't know, from this and this and this, maybe here, and let's run the test again. For now, I've tested the extension only on Windows and on Linux. I don't have a Mac, so sorry, no tests for Mac. But I guess it's, if I'm not mistaken, it's the same as Linux. I mean, paths wise. So it should work on Mac, I guess, also, hopefully. So, as you can see, the test also passed. So the extension works correctly, and I hope you will enjoy using it. Feel free to drop a comment or, I don't know, open an issue on GitHub. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.